You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video, it's time for some plug and play action, but this time it looks kind of interesting. So it seems to be having like Famicom. It says something like yesterday. The Super TV game Joy. The controller, I don't know if it's a replica or something. The brand itself is Titanica. 28 games, or great games, all in one, easy plug and play controller. I picked it up like second hand. I must say that I have never seen this before, so that's the reason I want to pick it up. So what you can see over here, we're going to get Mortal Kombat, FIFA Soccer, ooh, F1 Racing Tank, a lot of familiar games. So this thing was not super cheap. I don't know if I'm going to unwrap it like this. I am the one who's going to unseal it. Oh, I put my camera accidentally. Ooh. Oh, need to replace the camera. Need to place it differently. Yeah, why? It's going to be ASMR time. The packaging itself is in okay condition. It's got a little bump over there, a little bit of bummer. So for the collector, I'm not a box collector, so for me it's okay. But if you're like a box collector, it's not done, of course. We're going to get different region versions, so that is possible. But I'm very interested in like when did they make something like this. So let's open it up. Let's see if we can get it out. Okay, no we can't. I always want to be very gentle with these freaking old boxes, but you let me know, choice. Oh boy, like, how the hell, man? Come on. Jeez. Oh, damn. Old school, horrible styrofoam. Oh boy. Ugh. So here we're going to get the retro toilet paper manual. The Super Joy TV game. Let's see, plug and play adapter into the power sockets. Select one of the 28 games power with up and down. Okay, so here we're going to get the list of the games. There is FIFA on it, Excitebike, Zippy Racing, ooh, Sickers Charlie. Oh, okay, so let's take a close look at it. So, this power supply. Oh, 6 volt. Okay, it's the right input, but it's like not multi-region, so this is a really old school one. It's all stuck in the styrofoam. Alright, so let's take a close look at the controller. The controller looks kind of funky. There is no way of adding batteries, so this is just what it is. Like, why do I get the Sega Saturn feeling with this? Holy crap, this is bad. Reset, select, start. They're always putting the select and start here. I have no idea why, that is so annoying. Okay, so the controller has been connected and seems to be working. What we're going to get is an old school multi-game card inside a plug and play controller. And it's a 76 game in one. I'm guessing like a lot of double games, but I like being honest on the packaging itself. So let's take a close look at the menu itself. Okay, so, oh boy, it already got like that old school sound to it. Bomberman, Pac-Man. Okay, maybe select. Yep. Oh. Yeah, Pac-Man, DTS. So they're basically, they were not naughty on the package. They're just being honest, saying like, hey, we're going to get like only a couple of games. Oh boy. Okay, so let's try some games. Let's see how good or bad they are. Alright, International FIFA 97. The sound is good. Holland against Uruguay. I have no idea how to pronounce that. First game, Tecmo World Cup. Oh, by the way, it's highly possible this is the first time you see me playing a football game, because normally I never play these things. Does the reset button work? Oh, that seems to be working. Okay, is that the actual like Tank game? Yep, that's actually Tank game, and they added all the sound effects. Dee 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 dee. So the emulation, or better said, like, I wouldn't say is it really emulation. It's more like a NES on the chip. That seems to be working just fine. I'm surprised, to be honest. I'm really surprised. Oh, even the turbo button seems to be working just fine. Crap. Need to get to the power up. Yes, got an extra life. But also surprisingly that the signal output is quite good, because normally with these plug and play devices it's so freaking awful. Come on, going to blow you up. Ah, you just ran away. Okay, so let's try Star Force. The D-pad of this controller is okay. Oh, that was almost. Turbo button time! Doesn't work that great for this. Okay, so they changed the name for this one. They called Circus Chebly. Or is it just a freaking typo? Yep, it's actually like a typo. I can remember I did play this game a couple of times back in the day. Where's the sound? Oh, I thought it was a sound like when you're jumping through the hoops, but maybe with the money. Ah, there it is. No, I'm not going to do that. I know, I'm not going to make the jump. Well, actually, I knew, but I still did it. I needed to try the Mortal Kombat game, just to see what it is. Oh, they call it Mortal Kombat 3 now. Can we play with Shang Tsung? Is that possible? Oh yeah, cool, we can play against Shang Tsung and it's randomizing the characters. I think it is. That is really cool. And really bad at the same time. I was wondering, like, is this game like licensed or is it just something they have made, like a homebrew game? What? I hate him! This game is such a bullshit sometimes. Nope. You're not gonna spank me with a naughty stick of yours today. I ain't gonna whoop your ass and you're going to kick you in the balls. Okay guys, teardown time. So first of all, I'm surprised how good the quality of the video game is, because when you're looking at different models I've reviewed, most of them like have really horrible signal output, but this one was not bad at all. I do like the, let's say, the form factor of this device. That reminds me of a Sega Dreamcast, correct me if I'm wrong, but a Sega Dreamcast, I mean Sega Saturn. And the thing is, like, it's playable. The D-pad needs to be slightly better, but overall it was a fun experience. Of course, that they like need to make like really horrible multi-card in it with a lot of double games, but that's beside the point. Alright, so let's open it up. Maybe we can find some information about when they made it. The soldering itself, it's not super bad. I have seen my share of bad soldering. Alright, so let's lift it up. Oh, so that is a really interesting construction. You can see like there is a spring underneath of the D-pad. So that is the first time I ever seen something like that. Okay, so the two shells, I will leave everything here. So they're using quite okay, let's say, membranes. I have seen like the transparent ones are like really bad. Okay. Let's see what they made it. And holy shit, look at this. So I think I found it. Like here it says 1998. So this thing is freaking prehistoric when I'm making this video. So you can, of course, the giveaway is the PCB, like when you're looking at the colors. So this is an all-in-one. It contains everything that we're going to need. And I mean with this, like the chip, everything. Big capacitors on it. Oh, damn it, 3 black blobs, so everything has been covered. But that's it, folks. That's the only thing that we're going to get. Connectors, on and off switch. That's it. 1998. Holy crap. Alright guys, so it's a quite interesting concept, of course. It's something I've seen many times before, but what I find quite interesting is that, but besides that really smells nice, is that the D-pad, like with the spring, I have never seen it before, and that's the reason why it feels so freaking sturdy. Personally, I really hate it. So of course, select start over here, hate it, just hate it when I'm doing that. I'm so used to getting select start over here, or there at least. But overall, like 8-bit games built inside. This thing is from 1998, what I understand of. So it comes in different regions. An overall unplug and play device, and one very unique device that I've never seen before.